use 4 eggs, the tomatoes, the onions, this is curry powder, this is salt, and cooking oil. So let me put on our stove of oil. We are going to cook sauce for the egg sauce. I don't know whether most of you guys you know the egg sauce, but this egg sauce is really delicious. So it's one that we are going to cook for breakfast. So I'm going to put some little sauce in this eggs. So we're going to put in our onions like this. So this is how our eggs are looking after we stir them. Now we are going to put in our tomatoes. The tomatoes have to be a bit much. We have used 5 tomatoes, 4 tomatoes. I mean. That's it. Put some little and then cover. So this is how our tomatoes are looking. They have to be super soft, super soft. They have to be super soft, super soft. Let us cover it. So this is how our tomatoes are looking. Now ready. So I'm going to put in this hashima, curry powder. You can call it curry powder. You can buy curry powder of your choice. But here in my country, this is the one this is my favorite. Once you start with this also, the tomatoes, milk, you pour eggs. And you whisk a little bit and you cover. This sauce goes well with matoke, egg, chapati. Yeah, this sauce is best with chapati and matoke. So you have to cook them till you see that it's only oil, cooking oil that you are seeing. It has to cook and cook and cook till you see bubbles of cooking oil. That's when you put in water. If you want, you can just eat like this, but for us, we're going to add in some water, little water, to make the sauce. You see, it's coming. It is starting to come. Let us cover a little bit. How it's looking. That's how it's looking, guys. That's what I told you. You have to see that. You have to see the bubbles of cooking oil, and you can see. That's when you can know that it's ready. Okay. I think you can even spot the difference. Oh, it's smelling good. So I'm going to add in some little water so that it can. So our sauce is ready. So I'm going to serve it like that. We're going to serve our sauce with matoke. This is the matoke. This sauce is very delicious with this food. Pause. Yum yum. Yum yum.